Good morning, everyone. Say hello to Oogie for me. Thought I'd do a get ready with me today because, honestly, I don't know. But I'm sorry, it's going to be another red eyeshadow look because I'm addicted to it at the moment. And I also decided to include my hair this time because I rarely style my natural hair and it's pretty long, so, you know, I'm just trying to show it a little bit. I'm taking the curling iron and I'm kind of flattening out my part because I slept with it on the wrong side and I'm trying to get it in the middle, so I was just using it to flatten it out. Fun fact, I didn't actually brush my hair this morning. I wanted to try something where I didn't brush it and then just put the curls in and then brushed it out and see if they would still come out like smooth waves, beautifulness. I don't know. Was that a word? Beautifulness? Whatever. Oh, I just brushed out a section. Did you see that? Oh, I bet you it's because I had a rat's nest in it. I've tried to stop brushing my hair. Like, I've been doing something weird. I've been trying to get my curls back, but my hair is just too heavy and damaged. So, you know, I've only been washing my hair with conditioner except for once a week. And then I have not been brushing it to try to get the curls to come back. What happened here? That's strange. My husband got me this curling iron. I think it was just a really cheap, I think it's Conair. I can't remember. Just very inexpensive, but I really like it. I've only used it a few times because I don't curl my hair this way very often. I usually use my straightening iron, which is very strange. And the other side is done. Beautimous. My brush was very dirty. So now I'm just gently brushing it out, and it's actually pretty easy despite having had a bunch of knots in it. But I love the way my hair looks when I do this. It makes it look shiny and nice, which normally it doesn't. So anywho, costume change, and you can see the straw from my coffee. Time to pin back my hair out of my face so I can start to do my makeup. Just using some bobby pins today. I used to have some really cute bone clips and I can't find them. I've been using the Tarte Face Tape foundation a lot lately. I think I've mentioned this before in an old video. I actually bought this foundation for my wedding because I wanted to look like super flawless. But then I changed my mind completely about my wedding and I wanted to stay like super natural, and so I didn't end up using it. I think I took a little bit of it on my finger and just dabbed it all over my face. And then this Stay Matte powder that has seen better days. I only do my forehead and my eyes, and then I instantly set my eyes so that I can do my eyeshadow. If there's any fallout that ends up on my cheeks, I can just wash my face off. And then the Uma Black, I hope I'm saying that right, Uma Black Magic palette. This is my favorite palette right now. Like, I don't have very many, but of the ones I do, this is my absolute favorite. And yes, I used a black shadow in it to do my eyebrows. I'm sorry. I bought eyebrow stuff after that one video where I was complaining about not being able to do my eyebrows like a normal person. But at this point, I've just gotten so used to doing it with eyeshadow that I can't stop. I can't leave it behind. I kind of like it. Like, I need to get better at trimming and taming them. I do need to find a brow gel still, which I had been looking for one that someone had recommended me on my other video, but I couldn't find it, so here we are. And yes, I am using washi tape for my eyeliner. Just kind of use your fingers to take some of the stickiness off. Then I'm taking the light red eyeshadow in the Black Magic palette, and I'm just starting right at the edge of my eye on that tape line, and I'm just dragging it inwards. I've got very hooded, wrinkly eyelids, and so I wanted it to look kind of like there was well, maybe not exactly a cut crease, but it looks like there could have been a cut crease going on, but I just have no room for a cut crease. So I just built up that whole outer edge and just blended it inwards. Lots of blending. And then I kept building it up, and then added the dark red eyeshadow just underneath it, still sticking to that outer corner. And then finally with black, I was just dragging it in a V shape. Right on that outer corner like a wing. And then I have this LA Girl Fine Line eyeliner, which I actually really liked the first time I used it. It was super liquidy and smooth. But I seem to be having a hard time with eyeliners. I don't know why. I'm tempted to just start using face paint, because face paint doesn't fail me. I did a very thin but kind of long line, and then kept it really, really thin along my lash line all the way to the inside, just because I don't have a lot of lid space, so I don't want to be taken over by eyeliner. Ooh, so satisfying. Love that. Now to do the rest of my face. I haven't been wearing primers lately. I forgot to mention that. I just feel like my skin has been doing better not putting a bunch of stuff on it. So yeah, no primers, no setting sprays, and I look fine. Dancing is required. Make sure you're dancing. Can anybody guess what I'm listening to? And then the NYX contour palette that I've been using for a very, very long time. I usually start just underneath my cheekbones and then blend it into my hairline. I spend a lot of time trying to lightly buff in my contour into my hairline just because I get really pale there because my hair covers it, so I don't get any suntan, even though it clearly doesn't look like I have any kind of tan. There's a little bit of a permanent pigmentation around my hairline. It's strange. And then for some reason I forgot to set my face before I did contour, but here I am doing it. Fun fact about this Marc Jacobs blush. I got it in an influencer Vox box. I got it for free, and I tested it out when I got the Vox box, and I hated it. I don't know why. You can actually go find, don't judge me, this thing is probably very, very expired, but you can probably go find that video, and I didn't like it, but I love it now. It's sheer and beautiful, and it's hard to see on camera, but it's just a really nice color. Now mascara, I really want to get into wearing false lashes, but I suck at wearing them. I suck at putting them on every time, and so you know what? False lashes aren't for every day, so I'm just not gonna do it. Oh my god, why? And then this is my favorite lipstick currently. It's the L'Oreal. I think it's called Color Shine lipstick in the color 900. It's just very natural, but it's also very moisturizing. Like it feels like an extra smooth chapstick. Time to take the bobby pins out, fluff up the hair, give it a nice zhuzh, and here's some close-ups of my very textured face. But hashtag natural, hashtag I'm almost 30, hashtag I feel pretty, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!